Sparks Waterfall. In this video, you will see how to create a waterfall chart with Sparks. First, mark a value range from a table. Then, select the waterfall chart type from the Sparks ribbon. Select a range where the chart should appear and click OK. Click on the tool icon by the chart range to open the Sparks Manager. Click the button to the right of the sum pointer field or use F2 to select a sum pointer range. Click OK and then click Apply in the Sparks Manager window. These parameters are then added to the Excel formula. You have now created a dynamic formula-based waterfall chart that can be further customized to meet your needs.